Many people struggle with stress, anxiety, and a lack of focus, feeling overwhelmed by the demands of everyday life. These struggles can leave you feeling drained, stuck, and unsure of how to move forward. Stress can be particularly debilitating, making it difficult to concentrate, sleep, and enjoy activities that once brought you joy. Anxiety can also be a major obstacle, causing worries about the future, fears about the past, and a general sense of unease. Furthermore, a lack of focus can hinder your productivity, making it challenging to achieve your goals and pursue your passions. Additionally, these common struggles can have a significant impact on both physical and mental health, leading to burnout, depression, and a range of other issues. Meditation is a foundational mindfulness technique that involves training your mind to focus, relax, and become more aware. By taking just a few minutes each day to meditate, you can calm your mind, soothe your body, and tap into a deeper sense of inner peace. Mindful breathing is another powerful technique where you bring your attention to your breath, feeling the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. Body scanning is also a great way to cultivate mindfulness, where you lie down or sit comfortably, bringing your attention to different parts of your body, releasing any tension or discomfort. Regular mindfulness practice can help you develop greater self-awareness, allowing you to better understand your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. I'd like to share a personal story about how mindfulness transformed my life. After experiencing a period of high stress and anxiety, I discovered the power of meditation and mindful breathing. By committing to a daily practice, I was able to calm my mind, reduce my anxiety, and increase my focus. Mindfulness helps me develop a greater sense of self-awareness, allowing me to recognize my thoughts and emotions and make positive changes in my life. This transformation has had a profound impact on my relationships, career, and overall well-being. I've also noticed that mindfulness has helped me become more patient, compassionate, and understanding, leading to more harmonious interactions with others. As I continued to practice mindfulness, I found that it became a valuable tool for navigating life's challenges, helping me stay grounded, centered, and at peace. The key mindfulness techniques we've discussed, including meditation, mindful breathing, and body scanning, have the potential to profoundly impact your personal growth and overall well-being. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can cultivate a deeper sense of awareness, clarity, and purpose, leading to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. If you've had any experiences with mindfulness, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Be sure to check out my next video, where we'll explore more personal development topics and discuss practical strategies for achieving goals.